Hello everyone, in this video let us see how to add driver from admin panel. To add drivers from the admin panel, you should visit the delaware.app/admin website and then enter the valid credentials to log in to the site. Now we can see how to add driver. Before adding driver, you should add the driver's vehicle. For that, click on the vehicle management and select add vehicle. Add vehicle by filling required details like vehicle name, status, RC number, RC expiry date, vehicle number, insurance number, insurance expiry date. Then upload required images and click Save button to save the vehicle name. Then you have to decide what are the documents that should be included in a document setting page. For that, click on the document management and click document list option. Here you can see all the list of documents that have been created previously. If you want to add any other document, which is not available in the existing document list, then select Add Document option. Here select for whom it is created for. In that, select driver and select the status. Enter the document name. Then you have to decide whether the document should have an expiry date or not and save the document. Now the saved documents is available in the document list and document setting page. Here you can activate or inactivate the document as per the need. Now let us see how to add driver. For that, click on the driver management and then click on Add Driver. Here we have prefilled certain fields, but you can fill them according to the needs. Now select the restaurant name, but it is required only if the restaurant assign their own driver. Otherwise, this option is not required when the restaurant assign drivers under Delaware platform. Then add vehicle name. For this we already discussed how to add vehicle name in the starting of the session. Now the added vehicle name should be available in this drop-down. Now you should select the vehicle name, enter the driver name. Then add driver's phone number. Here you can change the country code according to the need. Add driver's mail ID. Add address details. You can refer our previous videos to know how to add country, state, and city. Now enter the zip code. Add work city details. If the city is not available in the drop-down, then click the add icon to add new city. By filling the required details like city, country, status, and state, then save the details. Now the work city is available in the drop-down, then select work city. Add a work zone if the driver only going to work within a specific area, such as a city and zone are optional, so you can select either your work city or work zone. You can refer our previous videos to know how to add zones. Now click on the Browse under Avatar to upload driver's image. Here create a password, then re-enter it to confirm and select status. Now click Next. Now you see the document setting page. These are the document which we already seen how to add document in the starting of the session. Here upload required documents images by clicking the browser icon. And then add expiry date of the document. Now click Next to fill bank details. Now you can see the bank details page. Here we have prefilled the details, but you can fill them according to the needs. Enter the bank details like account name, account address and other mandatory details. And click Submit button, so that the driver will be saved in the driver list. In this option, you should be able to change the status of the driver from active to inactive, according to the needs. That is how the driver can be added from the admin panel. Thanks for watching and I hope this video was useful. See you on the next video.